Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys my 12 pieces torque bits set that I got it from Amazon. So you can buy this torque bits set. This is a 12-in-1, and as you see, made by WorkPro. WorkPro basically make different tools. They make power tools like impact wrench, driver, cordless driver wrench. They make a lot of things. They make also the socket wrench, back wrench, and adjustable wrench, pliers, and ratchet, so on and so forth. And aside from that, they make this WorkPro torque bits 12-in-1. I'm showing you guys what it looks like. So once you open this, this is what you guys will see. So it came with this magnetizer, and the magnetizer, you need to insert your screwdriver here. You need to rub it to magnetize your screwdriver. I'll show you guys. Let's say for instance this one, if you want to magnetize this, all you need to do, insert it and then keep rubbing like this, and you are able to magnetize your screwdriver. To demagnetize, you need to rub it on the top. Okay, that's how you guys will use. So the torque wrench that it came with it, it's a T3 up to T10, and it comes with the so it came with the pry bar and a spudger for your laptop computer, for your tablet, for your cell phone, and it comes with a tweezer. Those are all the freebie that it came with it. This is very important, especially if you guys come across that you need to. So this is a pry bar and this is spudger, and it comes with a tweezer. So again, this is a WorkPro. It comes with a pouch, a very nice brand, a very good set of torque bits made by WorkPro. This you see the you see the pouch is a very nice pouch made by WorkPro. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel, and if you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you. Bye for now. God bless.